Capitol View Kindergarten families. This is Mrs. Roberts here, checking in with you on this online learning platform. We've noticed that so many students have been using the online Canvas learning lessons, and these are great extensions of true learning that was happening in your child's kindergarten room before our break. And this is the place where we really want you to be logging in there every day if you are able to, or as often as you're able to, and checking what's going on in there. There's some great videos for reading. There's some storybooks being read. There's a great section for lessons on phonics, so your child can practice, manipulating those sounds and making words and getting ready for writing. There's also a great math page. Now, this is how we're going to get in. I can't get you all into your computers, but once you've gotten into your computers, you're going to see a blue screen kind of like this. If you're having trouble with passwords and even getting to this point, please call the Des Moines technology number for families. If you don't have that number, please get in touch with your classroom teacher right away and we can help you with all of that information. But once you all get turned into your computers, this is what you will see, and you'll want to look for the school bus. Click on the school bus, and it's going to show you all the resources that we have. Super stuff in here. A lot of students have been working on this Core 5, which is the Lexia reading program. That is a great platform. However, it's not specific to what we were just working on in our classrooms. So really, where we really encourage everybody to start is Canvas. And Canvas is going to have all those things that your student has seen before and just keep building on our learning that we were doing in the actual classroom at Capitol View. When we have our group meetings, our virtual chats, that's going to be here in Microsoft Teams. So if you click in Teams, that will show you how to get in there. We're going to click on Canvas. My teacher view is a little bit different. So when you click on that Canvas start here, it's going to take you to a page that looks kind of like this. And you'll have some circles and it'll show you each week. So this week we're on May 11th through May 15th, and you can click in there and it will show you all of the different lessons that are going on. You'll have reading, math, foundational literacy, that's our phonics and our phonemic awareness and words and sight words and lots of fun OG stuff that your students were actually doing in the classroom. We'll click into this. Reading. All of the links are embedded, so you just have to click on the different things and it'll show you what to do. You can keep scrolling and it'll show you each day there's something to do. If you're on School Connects, we've put out a suggested list of things to do every day so you're not overwhelmed and doing too much learning at one time. We don't want to overload our brains. So lots and lots of great books about trees. If you click on the next button at the bottom, it'll just take you to the next page for those lessons that are coming. These are math. Again, you just keep scrolling, clicking the links on the videos. There's so many cool songs that your students probably already know. Some great math activities. Your students can show off and show you how big their brains have gotten. Keep going. These are the foundational skills. These are my favorite. So I hope your students are having fun looking at these. Again, this is their chance to show off and shine and show you exactly how much they have learned and that they are so good at working with letters and sounds and words. They're going to love all the little videos. They're going to need some help, so maybe if you have a big brother or big sister, they could help them navigate through here. I know it's a lot, but if you could get in here at least once a week, that would be so amazing. There are books to read that the kids can read to you. Lots of fun stuff in here. So really encouraging you all to try Canvas. I hope that helps. If you are having any troubles with technology, please get a hold of your teacher and we will help you get this sorted out. But again, this Canvas is such a cool place for kids, and we miss your kindergartners and we love your kindergartners and we can't wait to see them and we can't wait to hear how much they've been learning.